In this lecture, we will look at the contrarian investing strategy of buying the dip. Buying the dip is when you purchase more cryptocurrency to add to your portfolio after a massive fall. But this method requires you to become a contrarian investor. Contrarian investors and traders tend to go against prevailing market trends. While everyone is selling, you should be buying the dip and adding to your position. Many people are emotional investors, which leads to bad market timing. They typically buy with all the excitement as the price hits new highs and sell as the price corrects and falls. You should start training your instincts to do the opposite. So when everyone is buying at the top, you should also be selling if you're a trader. But we will talk more about the selling part in the trading section of the course. But while everyone is selling, this can be an excellent time to enter or add to your position. During uptrends, you can look at sharp falls as an opportunity to capitalize on what is likely an eventual upswing. This is a great way to take advantage of market fluctuations and the extreme volatility of cryptocurrency. But just like any other strategy, it's not 100% certain. If an uptrend is broken due to underlying fundamentals, it may be hard to select a bottom. A great tool to use for buying dips is the RSI. The RSI, also known as the Relative Strength Index, shows you when an asset is either overbought or oversold. This is calculated by comparing the magnitude of gains and losses over time to measure the change in price movements. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart and discuss buying the dip using the RSI. So let's start by going up to the settings menu and add the RSI indicator to our chart. There we go. And if you look down at the bottom, you can now see our RSI added to our chart. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin has been in a correction. But let's look at some previous opportunities to buy the dip before this recent sell price. If you look at the RSI at the bottom, you can see that the higher it goes above the middle line, the more overbought the asset is. The lower it goes below the line, the more oversold the asset is. So as you can see, there are around 3 opportunities that would have been great to buy the dip and add to your portfolio. You don't have to worry about getting an exact bottom, just make sure you're getting a good sell price. So if you would have purchased at the 3 opportunities we see here, you would have got in around $1,000 before the price went up to around $3,000. Purchased again when the price was oversold around $2,000. And while everybody else was buying up here around $5,000, we waited to buy the dip around $3,000. We then wouldn't have added any to our position for a while because the RSI stayed in overbought territory. But recently, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency has been on a downtrend. This shouldn't be unexpected after a 10,000% gain. Around the beginning of February, Bitcoin became massively oversold again and provided us with a great opportunity to buy the dip and add to our portfolio. So that's it for contrarian investing using the RSI. I'll see you in the next video.